I'm going to be sharing a few of my daily quick natural makeup looks with you guys. It can be done for work. It's also easy for absolute beginners. Moisturizing the face is a must. Enough moisturizer helps you to glide your blush on with a little bit of light powder foundation. It just makes everything easy, but do not do makeup on a dry face. If you need to use concealer in some spots, go for it. But a powder foundation is good enough for daily looks. Just make sure you moisturize well. And use a light hand. Set your eyebrows with a gel so that it stays in place. Now take any neutral eyeshadow. It could be a light peach, it could be a light brown, it could be anything which is neutral, and apply it on your upper eyelid with a soft brush. You do not have to use the same brands as me. You can follow the shades and get brands of your choice. If you're a beginner, you can very well skip the eyeshadow, but this application is so easy, you might as well give it a try. Take it up till your crease line with a soft brush. It doesn't need a very skilled hand, and if you have hooded eyes, go further up. We Indians love our kajal. Use it on your waterline. You could take it all the way in if you'd like to. I don't do that because it kind of opens up the eyes if I don't take it all the way in. And if I do, usually it's for an intense look. Take a darker brown eyeshadow and a soft smudge brush. This one is discontinued. Any soft sponge brush, and mildly line your upper eyelid to give it a little bit of a definition and a base for your mascara. Curl your lashes if you're comfortable with it, and use a mascara. I'm using a lighter mascara because I'm going for a lighter look. A lot of you are scared of mascara because of removal. Just use baby wipes, and before that some baby oil. It'll all come off. I always fill out and line my lips with a nude lip liner. This makes my lipstick stay longer. I like to define my lips again with a lip liner that goes with my lipstick. All the colors in this look are very neutral and natural. Dab and blend out the darker lip liner so that it blends in. Use a neutral lipstick of your choice. A mild blush is always a must for me so that the face doesn't look flat. And if you use it in the angle that I'm using it in, you would not need to contour your face separately. I use a cream blush because I have dry skin. If you have oily skin and you want to go for a powder blush, please go for it. Just use it in this technique and in this angle. This is a very mild blush, so apply little and build till you're satisfied. Touch up your powder foundation wherever required with a very light hand, and you're good to go. I'm going to share more daily routines that I do, which are easy. I hope you find them relatable and give it a try. Here's wishing you have a fabulous day.